my friends, welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about how you can make $119.31 a day online. Although I can't make any promises, I think you're going to see that that number is conservative. And I want you to stick with me, stay with me to the end, because I'm going to share a bonus with you. And the bonus is about how you can use YouTube to help you to make this money without getting in front of a camera, and you will not believe how quick, simple, and easy this is. And I'm going to share some proof with you so you can see how well it works. Now, the purpose of this video is to share a product with you that actually has just launched several days ago. I'm sharing this to give you a jump on the competition. Now, the product is called Metacore. It's a weight loss supplement. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because my internet marketing instincts, my intuition, almost 20 years in business, is pretty darn good, and my intuition says that this is going to explode. And you'll see proof in just a moment. You're going to see proof as to why I feel this way. Metacore is through ClickBank, and what you're seeing here is a snapshot of Metacore on ClickBank. And Metacore pays 85% commission. At the moment, it's paying an average of 70% commission. I mean, it's got an AOV, or an average order value, of over $150, and an average commission presently of $119.31. One other bit of news that I want to share with you is that the gravity yesterday's gravity for Metacore was 16. Today it is 29. So what that simply means is that we need to hurry. Now, personally, I predict the gravity to be well over 200. And that's probably going to happen the next few weeks, maybe even sooner. Again, all this is simply telling us that we need to hurry. But let me share my research with you for number one, it's a weight loss supplement. Now, I've been in the weight loss market, the weight loss niche, for almost 20 years. So weight loss supplements are something that I'm not too fond of. And the reason is that most weight loss supplements, well, they're either a scam, they literally don't do a darn thing, they don't do anything, or what they do is usually just a substitute for fiber, typically. The ones that actually do work, you'd be better off eating a bran muffin than you would be taking their supplement. So that's kind of a red flag. That's kind of a strike against it. And again, this is personal, but it's because I've been in the business for so long. So typically, weight loss supplements are something that you and I want to avoid as marketers as well as customers. Part of my standard research, and if you watch my channel, you know this is the way I do things anyway. Part of my standard research, which is what I recommend you do as well, is to check for complaints, to check for scams, and so on. Now, although the product is brand new, usually there's some kind of research, pre-launch, and so on. So I went ahead and checked, and I'm happy to share with you that there is absolutely zero, no complaints, no accusations that it's a scam, so zero negatives. And in addition, again, it's still brand new, but in addition, there are zero refunds. If you like this video so far, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, and that way you're going to get notified when these videos are published. So how does Metacore work? So I'm glad to report that Metacore works actually on a scientifically proven fact, and let me share that fact with you. And the fact is that low core body temperature is responsible for low metabolism, or slow metabolism. And of course, slow metabolism is responsible for the weight gain. And this is actually proven, scientifically proven. So if you can bring the core body temperature back to normal, that will bring your metabolism back to normal, and you're going to lose weight. The pounds are just going to melt away. While diet, a good healthy diet, and exercise are good for us, and certainly something that we should do just for good health, they're really not necessarily going to help us to lose weight. And this is the problem with dieting. So this is one of the problems with the weight loss industry. They are keeping you as a lifetime customer, and Metacore can help you to break that connection. Metacore claims that it can fix the problem of low body core temperature. It can do that easily, very easily, and quickly. According to Metacore, it's proven to be effective, very effective, and it should be effective with anyone and everyone. So next thing I want to do is share a little bit more about my research, and simply that you can see Google Trends shows you and I there is a high search. There's a high search, so we know there's a high demand for this product. Now we also know, or I certainly know, and I'm quite sure you're aware, that there's also high competition. I'm going to show you about getting around that competition in a little bit. So Google says the internet, there's great search, and YouTube says there's over 2 million searches a month. And that's just on metabolism alone. And metabolism, of course, is exactly what we're addressing, or what this product is addressing. Once I reach this point, then I want to find some keywords that will have a good overall score. Hopefully they're going to score in the green. So I'm shooting for at least a good, very good, excellent. And as you can see, words such as supplements to speed metabolism. So I'm coming up with keywords that are scoring well. And what that simply means is that this is a winner, my friends. We have a winner. If you're not familiar with the steps that you need to take in order to make money with this, you're going to find links below to affiliate marketing level 1 and affiliate marketing level 2, the first video in each series. Those are training series. And you'll also find a link to a template for a review site. And I would recommend that you create 2 or 3 review sites about this product, because that's one of the other things that I did check is the review, and there's already search. So I would recommend at least 1, 2, preferably 2 or 3 review sites on this product. And to give you a recap or an overview of the process, you want to create numerous web pages, websites, and numerous videos. And these websites and these videos are going to be built around keywords. I'm going to show you this in action. So these sites and videos are actually capable of creating traffic on their own. In addition to that, you want to drive traffic to the sites. When you find the free methods that work well, consider trying those in the paid arena. Now, once these sites are created, you want them to point, once your videos are created, once your web pages are created, once your websites are created, you want them to send your visitors, send your viewers to a squeeze page. And the idea is that you'll be able to get their email address, and then that squeeze page is going to send them on to the affiliate. And once this is done, as I said before, then you're going to drive free traffic to those sites, and these sites are actually going to generate traffic on their own. And to get to the first step of my bonus, because I know there's a lot of you that are just, may not be saying it out loud, but there's just no way that you're going to create a video. It's just not going to happen. You're just not going to do it. You're not going to get in front of a camera, period. That's the end of it. And that's okay. I'm going to show you a way to get around that, and a little different way to set this up to make this work. If you don't want to get in front of a camera, you can use free video creation sites. And some of the sites that I use and love are Powtoons, FlexClip, Adobe Spark, Wave.video, and Render Forest. And what I've done as an example for you is to set up a short 15-second video, because that's typically the length of a wave video video. The video itself was made in maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Super easy, super simple, and super quick. Now, if you're going to create a really short video like this, you can put put some information in the description, but mainly in the description, instead of linking to your squeeze page, link to your web page, because for every video you should have a web page, just a 15-second video. Send them to your web page for more information. Then your web page is going to send them to your, then your web page will send them to your squeeze page. So I created the 15-second video. It's built around the keywords fix, slow metabolism, link that's in the video at the very end of the video, and the link that's in the description on YouTube both point to the web page. Then the web page gives them a little bit of information and sends them to the squeeze page. The squeeze page sends them to the affiliate. Stick with me, I'm going to be brief, but I've still got some more incredible stuff that I want to share with you. I mentioned that the gravity for Metacore was 29. Today's gravity is 45. The average percent of sale, the average commission has gone from 70% to 72%. The average commission in dollars and cents has gone from $119.31 to $121.67. And let me share something else. That little video, that 15-second video that sincerely took me maybe 3 minutes to create. And I've already got 3 clicks. Nothing to brag about, but this is with no SEO whatsoever. I got 3 free clicks, and I'm talking about are actually clicks to the affiliate. 3 hot link clicks. These are the ones that really count. I didn't put keywords on the video until this morning. There were no tags, there were no keywords, there were no keyword. The only keyword that was on there was in the title, fix slow metabolism, period. If you want to make $121.67 a day, here's what you want to do. You want to create 20 to 50 web pages or websites based on keywords, and you want to create 20 to 50 videos. If you're not going to get in front of a camera, do that short video trick that I showed you. And of course, send your visitors and send your viewers to your squeeze page so that you're building a list as well as making sales. And that list is going to give you additional opportunities for upsells, for add-ons, and so on. If you got value from this video, and I certainly hope you did, consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that way you're not going to miss out on these videos. My friends, thank you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.